Your brain can release dopamine even without Netflix or Instagram. It just needs to feel that something fun is about to happen. And using this exact trick, I turned my brain into a fan of studying. In this video, I'm sharing 6 psychological hacks that can make your brain addicted to studying. And hack 4 alone took my focus from 15 minutes to almost 2 full hours. What's your most boring subject? Drop it in the comments. I'll tell you how I made my worst subject addictive. And don't skip any hack. This works layer by layer through dopamine. Now, hack 1 is called the dopamine loop trick. Studying feels boring because the brain doesn't get a dopamine signal from it, but research shows dopamine isn't released after results. It's released before them, through expectation. So if your brain believes something good is coming after studying, it starts creating the reward feeling in advance. That's why, at the end of every study session, I added a small treat: tea, 1 short reel, or a quick nap. Over time, my brain started linking studying with reward. Hack 2 is environmental anchoring. Your brain takes powerful signals from your surroundings. That's why studying where you sleep never really works. The brain labels it as a rest zone. So I created a small space, used only for studying. Same place, same light, same setup. Now, the moment I sit there, my brain automatically switches into focus mode. Hack 3 is the 5-minute momentum rule. I used to think I was permanently lazy, but then I challenged myself to study for just 5 minutes. And when the timer went off, I wanted to continue. Because starting is hard, continuing is easy. That tiny 5-minute win created dopamine and rebuilt my entire routine. Hack 4 is the progress bar effect. Apps like Duolingo, YouTube, and Zomato all use it. You see a green line, or 70% complete, and your brain says, just a little more, let's finish this. I use the same idea for studying: chapter checklists and visual trackers. Every tick pushes my brain to crave the next level. Hack 5 is boring subject reframing. Do you have a subject that makes you sleepy just by looking at it? Mine was math. But instead of saying, I hate this, I started saying one word: interesting. It sounds silly, but that word pulls the brain out of escape mode and into explore mode. Curiosity is directly connected to dopamine. And now I treat boring subjects like a game. Let's see what I discover next. Hack 6 is temptation bundling. Imagine doing boring revision while your favorite lo-fi beats or sports commentary plays in the background. That's temptation bundling. You pair a painful task with something pleasurable and the brain gets confused. Am I working? Or am I enjoying this? I only allow my special playlist during boring subjects, and that completely stopped my brain from avoiding study. These are the 6 psychological hacks that turn my brain into a studying junkie. Now it's your turn. Pick just one and start today, because small changes create massive brain shifts. Tell me in the comments what topic you want next, and subscribe to my channel, where the brain gets upgraded.